Application monitoring has always been a critical aspect of operations. This is true whether you're dealing with typical monolithic legacy systems or modern systems managed through operational approaches like Site Reliability Engineering, SRE, or Application Performance Management, APM. Application monitoring for microservices-based applications has unique, complex, and intensive requirements, needing visibility into multiple services and their interactions. Monitoring ensures that operation teams are alert and well-equipped to manage systems as they hit the degraded state way before total failure occurs. Monitoring will also render invaluable data that can be employed effectively to enhance service performance. There will be patterns in system failures that would otherwise go unnoticed. The costs and time needed to build such a system oneself are inhibitive for most general enterprise applications. Now, when one approaches application monitoring, it is utmost necessary to use a proven platform with all the best practices integrated. But how do we define a great application monitoring platform? One of the most important characteristics of such a platform is how easily one can tap into data at various endpoints and how well you present it to the stakeholders to enable relevant actions seamlessly. A great platform should also be able to adapt to complex and dynamic workflows easily without having operations teams to spend hours figuring out how to adapt the system to changing workflows. A capable platform also facilitates real-time and robust monitoring through alerts management, event filtering, loading anticipation, scaling bottlenecks, system health insights, identifying patterns of failures, and predictive maintenance through statistical analysis and machine learning. It is also of utmost importance how remedial actions are enabled quickly and easily by a monitoring platform. Also, not to forget the importance of displaying the state of the system through intuitive, well-designed, and role-specific dashboards. So does your application monitoring platform fit the description? Parkar NeXGen Cloud Platform does all this and more. The constant need for innovation has given Parkar the edge and motivation to come up with a solution that is revolutionary in every way. What we offer is a platform that helps you tide over monitoring challenges and level up your business. Parkar NeXGen Cloud Platform monitors your system infrastructure, networks, containers, applications, databases, service performance, multi-location services, cloud scale monitoring, and more. This is how Parkar NeXGen Cloud Platform differentiates itself. It integrates the legacy system and marketplace systems seamlessly, reduces app release time from months to days, rapid deployment of new updates and version releases. It provides secured data access through Enterprise API for third-party data, interoperability between legacy and modern systems, facilitates scalable governance of multiple applications with enterprise-grade protection and support, provides visibility across all data streams and usage. We at Parkar believe in constantly pushing the envelope of speed, efficiency, simplicity, and reliability. Our NeXGen Cloud Platform is just a reflection of that.